Hello, my dear students. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time that you watch the video, my friends. This is Miguel, my friends, and today we're going to learn second conditional, okay? Everybody is welcomed. Look, today we're going to study and learn introduction to the topic, grammar structure, punctuation, examples, and some exercises or activities, okay? Introduction. It is important to know when and how to use the second conditional. It refers to a hypothetical situation or future events that are not likely. For example, if I had the money, you can say, I will buy a car. Here, references again is contrary to the reality. The reality is that I don't have money and I can't buy a car. It says grammar structure, if clause and main clause. If clause, if plus past simple plus would, could, or might plus verb. For example, it is important to take into account that in conditionals, it is usual to see he, she, and it with were instead of was. For example, if he were friendly, we will be good friends. The real thing is that he's not friendly and that we are not good friends. So remember, with he, she, and it, we usually use were. You can also use was, however, it will sound informal, okay? So the correct is if he were, if she were, if it were, okay? Punctuation. The use of a comma is mandatory when the if clause is at the beginning. If I were in France, I would visit the Eiffel Tower. Once again, my friends, remember, this conditional is contrary to the reality. It means that I am not in France, and that I can't visit the Eiffel Tower, okay? When the if clause is at the end of the sentence, we do not use comma. For example, I will visit the Eiffel Tower if I were in France. Examples. If she had a lot of money, she could buy a new apartment. The reality, she doesn't have money and she can't buy a new apartment. They will be happy if they won the lottery, okay? The reality is that they aren't happy because they cannot win the lottery. If he were president, he might reduce taxes. The reality is that he is not president and he won't reduce taxes. So remember, when you use the clause if you have to use in the simple past. And the main clause, you can use could, would, or might, okay? Example of negative form. If I didn't have homework, I could go to the party. I wouldn't be angry if you had arrived early. Questions. In questions, we can ask about assumptions or imaginary situations. If you were a famous person, who would you be? If you could live in other country, where would you live? Very good, my friends. So thank you for watching the video, my friends. And remember my suggestions. Number one, study and analyze the video from beginning to end. Number two, make your own notes on this grammar point. Number three, please invent or make up your own sentences using this grammar point, okay? Very good, my friends. So thank you very much and see you in next class. Thank you.